Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about if Samsung S26 Ultra has antivirus. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to know if your phone has antivirus, so let's see. You just have to simply open your settings and in settings just scroll down and here you must see an option like security and privacy. You just have to click on it. Now once you are in, you must see a setting like app security. You just have to click on it. And here you have two different options. The very first you have to select Google Play Protect. It will open in your Play Store. You just have to click on scan and it will scan if there will be any harmful app in your phone. So it will tell you here. You can see that no harmful app found. Now you have to go back, go to your settings and here select app protection and then click on turn on if you have not turned off this. Just click on turn on. Once it's turned on, just click on scan phone and it will completely scan your phone if there will be any harmful app or any virus in your phone, so it will scan for it. So in this way, you can easily use antivirus in your Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.